Alright, what's going on, guys? And today I wanted to show you this Dominion 20-inch box fan. Don't know the model number, but I found it last week while garbage picking. It is a very good fan. It works. The reason why I threw it out was because it needed oil, and then I ran it. Well, obviously needed oil. It was like vibrating really bad and squeaking and stuff, and it wasn't running very right. But then after a while, I powered it up again. I thought it would do the same thing, and then it stopped doing it. So it runs fine now. Well, it does need oil, but it runs good now. I just need to oil it up a little bit. And then cord was actually, I guess something was wrong with the plug, so they put a TV cord on it. So yeah, that works. I'll show you the back of this fan. It's got I think it's got either Fasco or Westinghouse motor in it. I don't know, but I think it's a Westinghouse motor. But either way, it's a 2-speed fan. Looks very good. Sounds very nice. And you'll hear what I mean in a second. So this thing is very heavy too. So we'll just get right to it. I'll power it up on low first. Oh yeah, I forgot the power's off. Dang it. Let me turn that on real quick. Alright, so day 2. There's low. Fan works very well. Even on low, it pushes a great amount of air, more than new fans do on high. So we'll go high. It's actually blowing air over here, blowing all this stuff. There's no wind either, or else that would be moving too. And the trees up there. But this is moving down here because of the fan. So, and then there's that stuff over here too. Stuff on the floor. From that thing. So, has a sticker on it. I'm gonna get that off. I'm gonna clean this whole fan. Probably, if I can find a matching color, repaint it. Fan runs beautifully. And then we'll show you it's not so long spin down time because it needs oiled. Alright, now I'll get a startup sound clip from the motor. We'll go from low, and then we'll go off again, and then we'll do high. So low. spin down time from low. Go to high. This is an amazing fan, truly. This thing is very nice. As you can see, it has minor rust on it, but that's not bad. I could sand that and probably repaint it if I get a matching color. Same with the blade, probably. Doesn't mean it actually need much sanding, just needs cleaned. So, yeah, so here's my 20-inch Dominion box fan, or as they said back then, 20-inch. It's like a 22-inch fan, so yeah. Thanks for watching.